Guys, so sa mga naghahanap ng Kymco DTX 360, so available dito kay Archway Motorcycle San Pablo. So meron tayong dalawang variant nito, isang 300cc at isang 350cc. So itong unit na to is 300cc. So, may TCS na siya, ABS, full LED ang ilaw, single disc sa harap, and single disc din sa likod. Keyless, charging port. Display niya is inverted LED panel. Isa ito sa pinakamalaki yung compartment storage. Adventure scooter, naka-dual sport tires. So for any inquiries, questions, PM lang kayo. SRP ni DTX 360 for 300cc, it's 239,000. For 350cc naman, it's 279,000. So if you have any questions, inquiries, PM lang kayo.